Welcome affiliates, it's Matty Mac here from Yours Affiliate. Just wanted to touch base with you today and check something new out. Something somebody told me about is a new program. It's a training program for affiliate marketing, and they say it's completely free. I'm not affiliated with this program in any way. I just wanted to check it out, and I'm going to go through and set up a brand new account. When you do go onto the myonlinestartup.com website, there's a bit of a welcome introduction video, which is quite cool. It looks quite professional. So far, I'm impressed. Chuck, I don't know, I've never heard of Chuck before, but let's find out about him. Plenty of people have given their testimony, so that's quite encouraging. Questions answered, so it's not a bad video landing page, this one. So I'm going to go through and check it out. I'm going to set up my own account, and I'll give you guys a bit of a rundown, and we'll have a look at the program. Okay, so I've just entered my details, set up my account, and it's taken me to the next page in the funnel, and I really like this one. So it's telling you what to do straight off the bat, step by step. This is what you do next. So follow a Facebook page, so that of course gets them to opt into your Facebook group. Follow on YouTube, so therefore you're getting another subscriber. So that's the Facebook group, and there's already 4,500, 5,000 people on this group, which means it's pretty popular. To Chuck's YouTube account, he hasn't told us how many subscribers he's got, but this has been around for a long time, 5 years. So he's been making these videos for quite some time. Although it doesn't look like there's anything new. When's the newest one? Nothing new on this channel for 2 years. So interesting. Okay. So it's this page. As soon as they've opted in, it's telling them what to do, and they're automatically almost forcing you to subscribe to their channel. So it's quite a good page to throw into your funnel there. But we'll go through and have a look at the program. Okay, I've had a good look through, and basically it's a step-by-step teaching you affiliate marketing, which is awesome. This is quite a refined course, and what I've found out is, so it definitely goes step by step. It goes into real depth from the very beginning, mindset, things that you need to set up, all that sort of thing. So it does go into a lot of depth. The videos are quite long, I found. They're all at least a half an hour long. Now, that for me personally, I would find it hard to focus on that many hours. So, I mean, he spent so many hours putting this together, and that's put together really, really well. But that's a lot of hours just to be staring at a computer screen, one after the other. So that's probably one of the main negatives from this course. But if you've got the patience and the time and systematically, if you did want to embark on this, I would suggest take everything else off the table that you're doing, all other training, and just focus on this particular training. So just focus on one bit of training, because if you get sidetracked with other things, you'll never really finish it, because it's and start to end is going to take you days, if not weeks, of focus. So they are very long videos. That's the only thing. And if we go into it, it's quite clever. He does recommend the tools that you will need to succeed at affiliate marketing, and there will be tools that you need. So just like the rest of us who are affiliate marketers, we do promote certain programs that work, and we have our own affiliate links. So same sort of thing. So affiliate marketing, if we go into each one, so ClickBank, obviously, he said ClickBank affiliate, he'll send you through there to set up. Lead generation. So there are lead programs that he's an affiliate for. YouTube marketing. So there are lots of YouTube add-ons that he's an affiliate for as well. Lead magnet. And under each of the videos, there's a little section. Just see if I can get into it. My computer's been slow today, as usual. So under every video, there's a little sort of must-have tools. So ClickFunnels, and there's an affiliate link. So he's ClickFunnels, Get Response, there's an affiliate link. ClickMagick, there's an affiliate link. So he's trying to get you to sign up under his affiliate link, which is fine. And these programs will certainly help you. So looking at all of this and adding it up, if you followed this course and did exactly what they're saying, I think you will have success. You will probably, for all the tools, if you opted into all the tools, you'd probably be spending $250 a month just on subscriptions and tools. There are only a few that I would definitely recommend you get. All the others you can kind of do without, but a good sort of lead page builder, opt-in page builder, ClickFunnels is definitely the one that I use, but there are others out there. And an autoresponder, so you can collect emails and send updates, follow up. So funnel builder and autoresponder are the two tools that I definitely recommend that you get, and there are plenty out there. So I do use ClickFunnels and I do use Get Response, and I do think they are the best as well. ClickMagick is good. I do use that. That's just so I can track exactly where my leads are coming from. But you can bring that on a little bit later on. Definitely ClickFunnels and Get Response is what I would recommend. And then he obviously steps, keep going through more videos, marketing, how to market, how to forum market, solo ads, and again, he's an affiliate for certain solo ad programs. I don't really agree with solo ads. I've tried them many times. I've spent quite a lot of money on solo ads and never really had any success. I think because the people that are on solo ad lists constantly get bombarded with offers and they just get forgotten about, and I don't think they respond. I've had ones that guarantee sign-ups, and they do sign up, but they're not real customers. They're just sort of sign-ups to keep you happy. Making sales for solo ads is definitely rarer than what people say. So that's the program. Not a bad program. I love the way it's laid out. It's really clean and clear. The only real negative, as I said, is each video is quite long, and I would have trouble focusing for that many hours. But if you took your time through, if you do want to go through it again, try and get away from doing anything else. Just focus on this system. Try not to get distracted too much. So overall, pretty impressed with the program, but I'd hate to say it, this is more or less exactly what I teach in my own little funnel here, which is this. So whenever you sign up to my free training, it's almost exactly the same. However, it's not so fancy. So I apologize for that, but it does tell you how it works, step by steps. It's very quick. Again, I say join my community before you get started and subscribe to my YouTube, of course. There's a bit of a video starter, and then I go into finding an offer in your niche and a video on it, and you can go through and find a niche. Set up your Get Response campaign. That's your autoresponder. Again, I'm an affiliate for that. It's a program that I use and I love, and I like it, so I promote it, and that's my affiliate link. So if you go through and set up your account, of course I get a small commission for that. Same with ClickFunnels, so that's the funnel builder software. So they're programs that I do use every single day. Go through, and you can even, I give away some funnels that I've built. With ClickFunnels, you can import them directly into your own account, so I can build it for you, and then you can just copy it and drag it into your account and use it. So that's one of the best things about ClickFunnels. And with all my training, I put it all in, and everything that I build is all available to my members. Cloaking affiliate links, so again, that's ClickMagick, and some autoresponder, some more training videos, more training videos. And then if you want to keep going with your training, there's some other programs that I recommend. So it's almost the same style of learning. It's just much more simplified. This you could go through in an hour or two. If you did go and join up with this program, you'd be there for weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks and weeks. Granted, he probably says a hell of a lot more than I do in the videos, but it's the same style of thing. So try one. If you're interested in mine, I'll just leave a link in the video below. Try it for yourself, see what you think. By all means, let me know if there's any improvements that can be made, or you want to see something different, or you're interested in something else. I'll help you out with that. But the main thing is just to get started. So just stop sitting on the fence. If you haven't already started trying to promote something, get in there, get out there, build your first landing page. It won't be perfect, but it never is. As you do more and more, and you do more promotion, you'll start to learn newer things. But you can't learn that stuff just by staring at videos all day. Until you actually build it and do it, that's when you'll start to see success. And when you do see your first commission come through, it'll just you'll just get so excited. You'll just have to keep doing more and more and more, and spend more time on it, and get better and better and better and better. So yeah, get started. Again, I'll leave the link if you want to go through mine, but just get started with it. It's well worth it.